Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: macOS up to date, enough disk space, and that you can run terminal commands. Once ready, install Apple's command line tools if prompted. This lets Homebrew compile packages. Next, install Homebrew. This is the only recommended route here because it manages Python cleanly. You'll paste the Homebrew install command into terminal, press return, and follow prompts. Once Homebrew is installed, make sure the brew command works before moving on. You continue by updating Homebrew to ensure the latest formulas. Run brew update. Then install Python with brew install Python, which provides Python 3, pip3, and a Homebrew managed binary path. If you need a specific release, install Python at 3.11 and then link it into /usr/local or /opt/homebrew. Use brewlink with overwrite and force only when replacing older Homebrew managed Pythons. Once linked, verify where the binary lives, so your shell prioritizes the Homebrew path over the Mac OS system Python. You finish by verifying the install, run Python 3 version, and which Python 3 to ensure the Homebrew path appears first. Then configure your workflow. Use Python 3 env to create a virtual environment and activate it with source env/bin/activate. Use pip to install packages inside the venv. If you see the system Python instead, adjust your path so Homebrew's bin precedes /usr/bin. Or run brew, unlink old version and brew link the correct one. Reboot terminal after changes to avoid stale shell caches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.